Hello students, welcome to the grade 5 environmental studies class. I hope you all are safe at your home. Today we are going to start first chapter super senses. Let's start. First of all, we should understand what are sense organs and how many sense organs do we have. Sense organs are the organs which help us to know and understand the world around us. We have 5 sense organs and they all help us to know what is going on around us. We have our eyes which helps us to see the world around us. We have tongue which helps us to taste tasty food. We have our ears which helps us to hear. Fourth is our skin which helps us to touch and feel different kind of things. And fifth is nose which helps us to smell. Not only we humans, even animals also have sense organs. They can see, smell, taste, hear and feel. But their sense organs are super strong than us. So let's start learning about this. Has it ever happened that you were eating something outside your home and some of the food fell on the ground and an eagle flew down, took away the piece of food? Can we see any food from so far? We can't see. But the eagle can see. Or whenever you walk past a sleeping dog, you walk very softly so that his sleep is not disturbed. Still, its ears shoot up at once. How did he come to know? You must have seen whenever you drop something sweet on ground, within minutes many ants get collected around it. So why does it happen? How the ant come to know there is some food fallen on the ground? Sense organs of animals are super strong, much more stronger than us. So that is why the thing which we can't see, smell, hear or feel, animals can feel very quickly. Some animals can see their food or prey from far away. Some can hear even the faintest sound. Faintest means the sound which is not loud, something like whispering very softly. They can listen clearly faintest sound also. So the first super sense we are going to study about is super sense of smell in animals. An ant was going along the ground. Suddenly it saw another group of ants coming from the other side. The first ant quickly come back to its hole. How did the ant know that the other ants were not from its group? Ants themselves are able to recognize each other. Ants can recognize their friends with the help of smell. Just like we remember each other's face, ants can remember each other's smell. Ants always move in a line. Here you can see some ants are moving in a line. How they know which way to go? They know this because ants leave a special kind of smell on the ground when they move, and other ants follow the smell to find their way back. Just like ants, even dogs also have super sense of smell. Have you seen a dog sniffing here and there? What do you think it is trying to smell? You must have seen dogs always do toilet here and there. By doing toilet here and there, they mark their own area. And you know very well, whenever a new dog comes to our area, how strongly the dogs of our area barks at the new dog. Dogs never allow new dog to enter their area. So to mark out their area, a dog urinate here and there. And here this dog is sniffing to find out whether this area belongs to any other dog or not. We can use this special sense of smell of dogs to catch thieves, search stolen things, or to find bombs. Even mosquitoes also can sense the smell of your body, and mosquitoes can sense the heat of your body. So this is how mosquitoes have super sense of smell. These super senses help an animal to find its food or protect themselves from predators. Predators are those animals who comes to attack an animal. So this is the end of part 1, where we have discussed super sense of smell of ants, dogs and mosquitoes. We will meet very soon to continue our chapter. Keep watching.